Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, where we bring you the hottest rides and the latest in automotive style. Today, we're diving into something that blends pure luxury, modern tech, and an unmistakable presence, the 2026 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Now, for those of you who know your automotive history, the Coupe DeVille is an icon, a nameplate that defined American luxury for decades. And now, in 2026, Cadillac has brought it back, not just as a car, but as a statement. From the moment you see it, the new Coupe DeVille demands attention. The proportions are long, low, and sleek, with a coupe profile that flows seamlessly from the sculpted front end to the sharp rear haunches. Cadillac has taken cues from its classic designs, but this is no retro throwback, it's modern, futuristic, and elegant all at once. The front fascia features a bold illuminated grille, flanked by ultra-thin LED headlights that give it a confident, almost predatory look. The side profile is clean, with flush door handles and massive 22-inch wheels that fill the arches perfectly. Around back, vertical LED taillights pay homage to Cadillac heritage while keeping things cutting edge. Pop the hood and you'll find what really sets the tone. Cadillac is offering the Coupe DeVille with two powertrains, a twin-turbocharged V8 for those who want that classic American rumble, and an all-electric performance variant for those ready to embrace the future. The V8 is a powerhouse, delivering over 600 horsepower with a smooth, effortless surge that makes highway passing almost laughably easy. Meanwhile, the EV version offers instant torque and a range north of 350 miles, with acceleration that will have you grinning ear to ear. Whichever you choose, power is sent to the rear wheels for that traditional coupe driving feel, with optional all-wheel drive for added control. Step inside and you're in a world of luxury that feels more like a high-end lounge than a car. Cadillac has spared no expense here: soft leather, open-pore wood, brushed metal, and ambient lighting that can be customized to your mood. The dashboard is dominated by a sweeping curved OLED display that blends the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one fluid piece. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and a premium AKG Studio reference sound system that turns your favorite playlist into a live performance. The seats are heated, ventilated, and even have a massage function, making long drives feel like a spa day on wheels. But the Coupe DeVille isn't just about luxury, it's about technology that works for you. There's Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system, adaptive air suspension that reads the road ahead, and a full suite of driver assist features like lane keeping, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The ride is whisper quiet in the EV version, while the V8 gives you just enough growl to remind you you're in something special. On the road, the Coupe DeVille glides effortlessly. The steering is precise, the suspension soaks up bumps without ever feeling disconnected, and there's a sense of occasion every time you slide behind the wheel. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience. Whether you're cruising down the coast, rolling into a black tie event, or just enjoying a Sunday drive, the 2026 Cadillac Coupe DeVille makes you feel like you've arrived. Cadillac has managed to do something remarkable here: bring back a legendary name in a way that honors its heritage while pushing it into the future. It's luxurious, powerful, and loaded with technology, yet it still carries that unmistakable Cadillac soul. If you're looking for a coupe that makes a statement and delivers on every front, the new Coupe DeVille might just be your dream ride. If you enjoyed this first look at the 2026 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment telling us which version you'd choose, V8 or electric, and subscribe to Car Trend for more reviews, deep dives, and the latest in automotive excellence. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel.